Protecting your Tesla's radiator is something every owner should consider early. Behind the front grille is your vehicle's cooling system, exposed and vulnerable to road debris, insects, and even small stones. Cleaning this area is not cheap either, and if damage happens, repairs can be even more costly. This is one of the smartest upgrades you can make to your Tesla, a small investment that brings long-term peace of mind. This is the most detailed installation and removal guide for the Tesla Model Y Juniper Radiator Guard you will find online. Let us walk you through it step by step. First, remove the mesh panel from the main frame. Press the 3 clips on the main frame while pulling out the mesh panel. Use both hands, one to press the clips, the other to gently pull. It's easy and quick. Next, connect the 2 main frame sections together. They are designed to snap into one solid piece. Once combined, position the full frame in front of the grille area of your Tesla Model Y Juniper. Now let's install the main frame. Start with the right side, which is an upper and lower clip. Align the frame, then press both clips in to secure it. Next, move to the middle, just under the front camera. Press in the upper and lower clips one at a time. Finally, secure the left side by pressing its top and bottom clips. Make sure all 3 sets of clips are fully locked in place. Now install the mesh panels. Start with the right side, align and press it into the main frame. Then move to the left side and press it in the same way. Now the installation is complete. It fits cleanly, stays secure, and looks like it came from the factory. To remove the mesh panels for cleaning, start with the left side. Press the clips while pulling the mesh outward. Then do the same on the right side. If you want to remove the full frame, continue with these steps. Start with the right side. Insert your finger, push the upper clip upward and the lower clip downward, then pull the frame out. Now move to the left side. There are 2 pairs of clips, one on the left and one below the front camera. Start with the left pair, push the upper clip up and the lower one down. Then go to the center pair. From the left side, push the upper clip to the right. From the right side, push the lower clip to the left. This fully releases the left section of the main frame. Ready to protect your Tesla and drive with peace of mind? Click the link in the description to order now. Supplies are limited. Subscribe to our channel for more premium Tesla accessories and easy-to-follow installation guides. We carefully test every product we recommend, because your Tesla deserves the best.